Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ah. Welcome around the world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to Healthy G Moms. And I want to first start out saying thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I certainly appreciate you so much for rolling with me. I am just so grateful and thankful for all of you guys. And welcome around the world. Shout out to you guys from Los Angeles, California, United States of America. Well, you guys, I come back to you guys today because I wanted to show you what I have become. I've become a huge fan of kombucha. Have you ever guys had taste any kombucha? Well, let me show you the brands that I've been tasting. There's a brand that's called Kevita, Kevita, Kevita. So I had some mango and lime. So you're gonna have different flavors. And now this is Synergy and Synergy kombucha, right? And that was the Mystic Mango. Both of these were yummy, okay? And then I had another one. So I got a little a bag of goodies here. I'm gonna show you. And this is called just right? And now this was the blueberry, right? But they're not really expensive, but it becomes expensive when you start purchasing a bunch of them. And so I've been saving to start making my own. I've been trying and trying. So I finally got an order in from Amazon, yes. And so Amazon has, you can see here, you can see this is one kombucha bag. So I got several bags. Right, I'm gonna put that back up there. So this is one bag, and I got it from Amazon, right? It was, I think it was $12. It wasn't that much, like either $12 or $10. No, that was for the smaller bag. Now this is 15 ounces. Now this is, you see this, it says kombucha. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, you guys, help me out. Kombucha, and you see what's in here? It says live cultures. Now in here it's called, it has some kind of a little tea. I think it's green tea. Oh, let me tell you what it consists of. It has green tea and, so this one has green tea in it. And ingredients, water, black tea, and green tea. Water, green tea, and so, what is it called? A SCOBY, right? This bag, now, you can make your own develop. It's a little bit longer. This actually gets you started. And once you start, then you can keep using these over and over again. That's what's great about buying this. So I have this bag, and this is another type of bag. You see the different colors? This is the dark gray and the light gray. And they're both 15 ounces. And they're called live starter kits. And, right, now, I did also get, what is it called? A brew brewster, because I want to try to do my own flavors. And once I start getting really familiar with knowing what I'm going to do, I will put my own little flavors into it. But this is brew brewster. Now, because I love blueberries and I like, the berry family, right? So that's what's in here. Now, all you need to get it started is you need a pot. Now, this is a 12-quart pot. This is my, Curry's wife, Aisha Curry. So this is a big pot of water, and you're gonna need some. Now, I do have cane sugar. Now, because I wasn't sure what type to get, because this is all new to me, and so I bought this. It's cane sugar off Whole Food Market. I think it was like, bag was like $10, and it's a 32 ounce, so it lasts for a while. But see, this is organic, so I made sure I got organic cane sugar. But I got another bag because I saw this, and now this was in our Rafts. Now, shout out to here in Los Angeles, California. I'm not sure where you guys are, but it's owned, Rafts here in LA is owned by Kroger's, right? And so this is another organic type of raw cane. So both of these are raw canes, organic. Both of them are both organic, right? So you need water. You need the sugar, so I said sugar, right? Raw. Now, I think you can use regular sugar, but somebody sold me on raw cane sugar. So that's why those are raw cane. You're gonna need water, so I'm using fresh water, and that's from Crystal Geyser. Now, this is just a half a bottle right now. I haven't got that. And then you gotta have some tea bags. So I have some green tea bags. Now, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use because I like both of these when I drink tea. Now, this is matcha tea, green tea, and this is a regular. I got these from a local Asian market, and they're both green teas. Now, again, in that kombucha that I had, so I got two different kinds. The ingredients in that one is, like I said, it has the live kombucha culture with cane sugar, black tea, and green tea. And then this is the lighter one does it have the same thing? It has just honey and green tea. So this is just honey and green tea. And these have both of the different type of teas, the green tea and red teas. Now you're gonna need bottles, and I have my bottle. Now this is a gallon type of bottle. This is one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one. Okay, but they're both wide mouth. This is my old ball. It's a ball jar. Now this is not a gallon. I think this is a half a gallon, and then I have another half a gallon right here. So I got that, and then you're gonna need a stick, not a stick, but a stirring spoon to get in there and when you go in there, you dig it in there and it won't break, because they say metal kind of does something and makes some kind of friction, and we don't want friction, right? No friction in our stuff, right? Shout out to the people that's been helping me and guiding me and encouraging me to make my stuff at home. Because remember, I'm growing a garden here at home. And so I decided that since I've been doing this, because I love soda so much, I've been going out and buying kombucha. But it's all about, saving your money a little, right? And if you can make your own, I'll be able to make, more jars of these, right? So, but you start out with the gallons, and then once you do the gallons, so I'll probably make about 3 of these type, and then I'll transfer them to the smaller, what is this, a 16 ounce, these are 16 ounce bottles, right? Most importantly, okay, so on these jars, when you sit it up, I'm gonna show you guys when I do it, but I'm just showing you what you're gonna need that's the raw sugar, we said water, we said, the kombucha bags with the SCOBY. I'll show you that when SCOBY is inside both. You can form your own SCOBY, but I decided to step my game up a little bit and buy a kombucha that already has the SCOBY in there to make my life a little easier, because this is the first time that I've ever done this, and I am going to be just watching other videos, like there's Starbusters, there's Lead Farmer, and there's so many other people that's on the internet but those two right there have been showing. And Auntie Ellen, they showed us how everybody got their own type of way, their own style. But for me, I'm trying to take bits and pieces of everybody, and then I'm gonna form Healthy G Mom's type of SCOBY making. Now, also important, when you do first start with the kombucha, you have to have some, this is like a cloth. Now, they say you can use a towel, but I went on and got some Muslim cloths. And in here, it comes like a package. There's one package. See that? It has a package with rubber bands and a little tie. Now, I'm going to show you up close what a Muslim cloth look like. So you'll take this and cover on here. And then you take the rubber bands, right? There's a rubber band that comes with it. And you put that on there, right? So you'll have the Muslim cloths that's going to be covering it, and it's sit up. Now that's what I have to figure out now. Is it a month? Is it 2 weeks or 3 weeks? But I want to show you guys my ingredients and what Healthy G Mom is going to be showing you next. I'll probably go live when I do this, so I want you guys stand by for that video. And I love you guys. Make sure you got, we can probably do it together if you like when I do it live. But, you just need I got a quart. Now, if you have some bigger one, something bigger than this, me and Aisha, I have been using her since I came home from the hospital. That was last year, August, right? Excuse me, last year, Mother's Day, July, right? And so I've been using this for all kind of stuff. And now I'm gonna be using it to make my kombucha, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with. I love you guys. Have a wonderful night.